Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Uno. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the friends option in the bottom section of your screen. Here you can see the invite friends option. Tap on it. Click on the invite option. You can invite your friends through different social media accounts. Here in this video, I'm gonna send this link through my Messenger account. Now when your friends open the link that you just sent, they can play with you. So that is how you can invite friends on Uno. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.